What is up, world? Drakir here, and we have news about Attack on Titan. So yes, dugay na kay ko nagabuhat og video for Attack on Titan on my TikTok account. If you go to tiktok.com/at Drakir here, you'll find that I have a lot of videos about Attack on Titan. And the news that we have is that magre-release sila or there's gonna be a movie for Attack on Titan called Attack on Titan: The Last Attack. Now, for context sa mga naglibog ani nga nung nadaw movie, this is not a continuation, a prequel, a sequel. Kuha lang ni siya, guys. Like momongo ni ang ilang original na plan for Attack on Titan na ang ending sa Attack on Titan actually is gonna be a movie, pero gibuhat siya o gihimo siya season, di ba? Naman na tanaw nato. So kani siya gihimo nila og actual film, and it will depict the last two episodes of the final like season of Attack on Titan. So kato ng part nga nagrambling na, kato ng part nga nag-away-away na sila dito sa kuan sa taas ni Eren. Mo ni siya ang movie. So it will be a theatrical release, and probably will have better quality when it comes to the animation and ang transition sa mga like sa episodes kay sa episodical uh, version na nakita nato kay mura man siya, 'di ba, part by part, but night trailer. So tanaw nato kaning trailer. I-zoom in ako gamay kay ko gusto mag full screen daw eh. Full screen. Di na kayo. Zoom in na pud kay na. O ana. Tara. So, let's watch. Announcing theatrical release in Japan. This never gets old for me. Ah,
さよなら、
sayonara.
エレン。
Okay, so mo to siya. So, it is a um 26 seconds lang na video. But again, this is a good thing. November 8th, i-release siya sa Japan, and of course mapisikan puntaan na siguro I don't know if Blu-ray ba nila diretso or what, but they will release it sa Japan November 8th, and I think that's it for Attack on Titan. I don't know kung kung i-adapt ba nila tong spin-off, which is agatong Before the Fall sa Attack on Titan. It is a like a prequel to the Attack on Titan main series. Dili si Isayama ang nagsulat adto, but it is also a good story. Dili di siya ingon na origin sa kuan. It's like a few hundred, I think 100, 200 years, 300 years prior sa nahitabo sa katong kuan sa like the first episode sa Attack on Titan. So, kung interested mo adto, search lang ninyo Attack on Titan Before the Fall. It's a good read. Wala pa actually na ako na siya nahuman og basa. We'll probably read that soon. Pero yeah, moro to. Just wanted to let you guys know na there's gonna be a movie. So moro to. Anyway, for more anime and other stuff, like maski unsa sa internet karon, I'll be covering it dito or diri sa ako ang Facebook page, and also sa YouTube as well. So subscribe, follow, and also have the other platforms at TikTok. Moro to. See ya.